Hey, Stella. Everyone's talking about AI, right? But what's generative AI really all about? I keep hearing it's a big game changer for businesses. Oh, Jen, it absolutely is. And it's not just hype, eh? We're actually seeing this massive, massive shift. Like traditional AI, that's often about prediction, right? It looks at data and says, okay, based on this will probably happen. But generative AI, or Gen AI as folks call it, it goes like way beyond that. It creates new, original content. Think text, images, code, even sounds, all based on patterns it's learned. Wow, so it's not just predicting, but actually making stuff. That's pretty wild. And you said it's a big shift. Like, how big are we talking here? Oh, it's huge, Jen. Like IDC, they're predicting worldwide spending on AI solutions is going to hit like US 632 billion by 2028. And that this, Gen AI specifically, is expected to exceed US 202 billion by then. That's a CAGR of like almost 60%. It's just incredible. It's reshaping human-machine collaboration, giving us new ways to solve problems, and it's delivering serious business gains. We're talking improved employee productivity, boosting customer satisfaction, and totally reducing operational costs. It's a win-win-win, really.
Okay, that's mind-blowing. So if I'm like a business trying to get into this, what's my first step? Do I just jump in, or is there a strategy?
Right, that's the thing, Jen. You can't just jump in without a plan. Like any big IT initiative, strategy is crucial, eh? Basically, there are two main paths. You can either adopt cloud-based AI services, or you can build and host an AI platform yourself. Both have their pros and cons, you know? It really depends on how much technical involvement and operational effort your organization wants to put in, and of course, how much customization and control you need.
Cloud-based sounds simpler. Like I don't have to deal with all the tech stuff myself?
Exactly. Cloud-based services are typically provided by a third-party vendor. They're like managed solutions. You access frontier models through APIs, so you don't have to host anything yourself. It's more straightforward, often more cost-effective for smaller teams or if you're just starting out and don't want to get into the nitty-gritty of infrastructure. But, you do give up some control and customization. The self-hosted route, on the other hand, gives you total control over everything. Hardware, software, models, where it's deployed, everything. It's more work, higher upfront costs, but maximum flexibility.
So it's a trade-off, really, between convenience and control. But regardless of which path you pick, how do you even know if you're like choosing the right solution? There must be so many options out there. Oh, absolutely, Jen. It's a minefield out there. And you're totally right. You got to consider a few things. Transparency is huge. Like, can you see how the model works, what data it was trained on? Data privacy, security, regulatory compliance, those are non-negotiable, eh? And cost efficiency is another big one. You want scalable, low-cost infrastructure that supports things like model optimization and industry-specific applications. Find solutions with libraries of use cases and pre-built templates. The thing is, well, this is where Red Hat AI really shines. It's a whole portfolio designed to speed up the development and deployment of AI solutions across hybrid cloud environments. It really simplifies adoption and makes advanced AI much more accessible across an entire organization. Red Hat AI. So it's an all-in-one kind of deal? Does it help with both types of AI, the predictive and the generative?
Yeah, it totally does. It balances flexibility with consistency, so you can deploy and manage both predictive and GenAI models wherever it makes the most sense. From single server deployments to highly distributed architectures, it supports your entire AI journey. Plus, it works with all sorts of hardware, original equipment manufacturers, and cloud providers, creating a really stable, optimized, high-performance environment. So, you can deploy your AI apps and services across diverse environments, on-site, public, private cloud, or even edge locations. It's quite comprehensive, really.
That's a lot of flexibility, but like, is it complicated to use all that, or does Red Hat actually make it easier for teams?
Oh, they absolutely make it easier, Jen. That's one of their core benefits. Red Hat AI includes things like Red Hat Enterprise Linux AI, Red Hat OpenShift AI, and Red Hat AI Inference Server. These solutions, they deliver open source technologies and purpose-built small language models, or SLMs. Like the Granite family models, for example, they're distributed under an Apache 2.0 license, and they're really efficient. They help you get started with GenAI faster using smaller, more efficient models that reduce operational costs without compromising performance. Plus, they offer production technical support and even model intellectual property indemnification, which, totally helps mitigate risks.
So, less complexity and potentially lower costs because of these smaller models?
Exactly. The SLMs require fewer compute resources, less data, less energy than like the huge LLMs. This makes them efficient and cost-effective for so many applications. Red Hat also provides tools to fine-tune these models securely with your own enterprise data, making sure your models are accurate and relevant without unnecessary complexity. And it's not just for like the super techie folks. The tools are designed for all roles: developers, data scientists, AI engineers, simplifying environment setup and hardware allocation. It really makes enterprise AI accessible across the entire organization, eh? And you get that consistent experience across hybrid cloud environments, giving you the flexibility to choose where to train and deploy while controlling costs and maintaining security.
Okay, so it sounds like Red Hat's really trying to make this whole AI thing approachable and useful. But, like, where are we seeing it actually in action? Are there any cool examples of companies using this right now?
Oh, absolutely, Jen. There are so many compelling use cases, eh? Take Claulet Health Services, for instance. They established an advanced AI platform using Red Hat AI to process historical medical data. They train an LLM to identify patients at risk for preventative care, and then the system provides recommendations through a chatbot-like experience. It's helping them identify new trends and disease patterns, too. That's huge for healthcare, right? Or Denizbank. Their IT subsidiary, Intertext, used Red Hat AI to create automated self-service AI workflows. Their data scientists can now build robust and secure models for things like customer loan identification and fraud detection. Super important stuff.
Wow, so it's improving patient care and making banking more secure. That's really tangible impact. Anything on the government side?
You bet. Uruguay's Agency for Electronic Government, AGESIC, adopted Red Hat AI to extend and standardize AI across government agencies. They built and deployed models to automatically classify and route 2,000 citizen claims per month. Can you imagine? It reduced routing time from an hour to only seconds. It's just incredible efficiency. And even Red Hat's own experience engineering team, they used 4 AI-powered support solutions to save an estimated US $1.5 million in support costs in just 10 months. And they're projecting over $5 million overall. It's totally a game changer for customer support and content creation.
Those are some serious savings and efficiency gains. So it sounds like AI is really transforming how businesses operate day to day, especially in areas like customer interaction and support.
Oh, absolutely, Jen. It's not just about saving money. It's about better experiences, too. AI-based chatbots and virtual assistants, they're getting so much better at response quality and accuracy. They're becoming the first point of interaction for so many advanced AI solutions. Like, take the City of Vienna. They wanted to improve employee productivity and satisfaction, eh? So they developed a virtual assistant using OpenShift AI on Red Hat OpenShift. This assistant helps employees get instant answers to work-related questions and helps them respond more accurately to citizen inquiries. It means they can innovate faster, provide new services, and maintain frequent release cycles to the public. So it's not just for external customers, but also for internal employees to be like more productive. That's smart. Totally. It's all about creating a more efficient and empowered workforce. Whether it's enhancing content creation, personalizing services, or even helping with cybersecurity and data analytics. Red Hat AI's portfolio is designed to help organizations of all sizes leverage AI's power. It's really about building AI solutions that fit your world, delivering value with the resources you have, and giving you the freedom to innovate. It's an exciting time, for AI in action.